Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, reading to for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Di kung liwat resonates. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Paka-search na lang siya sa Facebook, ha. Ah, hindi ako yon. I mean, that's my friend. And ako, hindi kasi ako nagpa-personal reading. So, kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader na lang. And meron akong TikTok, paki-follow na lang ako doon, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ayan, start na natin ang reading, no? Bago yan, I would like to cleanse my space. I will be using Tibetan Bell. So, medyo maingay to. Hinaan na lang ang volume. Ayan, so simulan na natin. Okay, so start na natin ang reading. This is for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Libra. For the sign of Libra, please, for the sign of Libra. One last shuffle. Okay, Spirit guides, Angel guides, thank you. Okay, for the sign of Libra. Divine timing is here. Divine time and trust. Sorry. This is the truth. Pero actually, nakikita ko yung word as a trust. Yung nabasa ko is a trust. Which is, nandito naman na yung trust. So, you are being assisted by your spirit guide. So, nakikita natin kung ano man yung mga nasa harapan mo ngayon, tama lang yung mga nangyayari. Yeah, spirit guides is here. So, you are being assisted by your spirit guides. Nandiyan sila sa paligid mo ngayon. And you would know, you would feel like may mga nakamasid nakatingin sa'yo. Makikita mo, I mean, I don't know kung bukas yung iyong third eye or yung iyong, some of you may ganon, may mga nakikita. Some of you may mga nakikita, like maybe you can see eyes everywhere, or you feel like someone or something is watching you. So may mga nakamasid sa iyo ngayon because I feel like may mga hidden truth or might be hindi mo pa alam yung paparating, yung nangyayari sa iyo ngayon. And may mga nakagabay sa iyo no, hindi mo pa nakikita yung money. Tell me more about this for the sign of Libra. For the sign of Libra, please. Regret is here, unexpected, and twin flame. Oh, some of you I feel like may person which is pwedeng kasalukuyang nalulungkot, nasasaktan. I feel like this person is nagkakaroon ng awakening. So yeah, you could be dealing with the twin flame. Nararamdaman ko yung energy niya dito. And I feel like a very cold person. Especially nandito na yung winter, which is that could be his or her parang kung paano siya makitungo sa'yo, napaka-cold, ano. Pero nagkakaroon siya ng malaking pagsisisi dito. Nagkaroon siya ng like epiphany. So, nagkakaroon siya ng pag-iisip na napapagdugsong-dugsong niya or napapag-connect niya. So, nare-realize niya maybe you are his or her wish fulfillment. Nakakita tayo dito. I don't know. It's like high school or maybe a person who is, you know, kakonect mo ng matagal na panahon na. So, pwedeng nung ikaw ay nag-aaral pa, high school, etc. But I see this person na parang tinatry niya lang kasing protektahan yung maybe yung ikaw or yung sarili niya in the past. Pero ngayon parang nagsisisi siya. Kasi nga nagkaroon siya ng epiphany. Anyway, ano emotion ng taong ito sa'yo? You do have here attraction, summer, and higher self activation. So, sabi ko nga, pwedeng nag-activate ngayon yung kanyang, maybe you're dealing with the twin flame or soulmate. And, itong person na ito is, really attracted to you. Sobrang na-attract siya. And dito sa card ng Mars and growth here, which is, that is very hot. No, there's a lot of passion, ibig sabihin, mula dito sa taong ito. And this person, pwedeng hindi niya na-recognize yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo in the past. Kasi, ang mas minamahal niya is yung sarili niya. No? So, maybe, there's something na kailangan niyang i-embrace or tanggapin or mahalin sa'yo. No? Na parang hindi niya na-realize na mahal ko pala itong mga bagay na to. Mahal pala kita. Tanggap ko pala to. Parang may mga ganun. But, this person, ngayon niya lang nakikita kung ano yung connection na meron sa inyo. No? So, ano yung mga susunod na action nitong taong to? For the sign of Libra. Chemistry is here masculine, and you do have here Mercury, which is the planet for communication. Yan, I can see travel and communication. So, I feel like yung susunod niyang action has something to do with traveling and or messaging. So, pwedeng mag-message itong taong ito sa'yo regarding upcoming travel. Or, pwedeng itong person ito is mag-travel. More on pagta-travel, but I can see a communication. So, yun, especially ang bottom of the deck is the party external, which is, there's this 3 women here. So, nagpapakita ito for me as a 3 of Cups. And the 3 of Cups is reunion, reconciliation. Nakakita tayo ng reconciliation sa inyo nitong taong ito na pwedeng, I feel like pinagsisisihan niya in the past kung bakit nung nagkaroon na ng reconciliation in the past, hindi pa niya ginawa yung offer, but now nakakita tayo ng person who is going to travel to give you an offer with the Venus. This is the planet of Venus, and which is yung planet of Venus is about love. So I can see possible a love of offer mula dito sa taong to. And this person is, I can see karma. So, pwedeng yung person na ito is until now, nandito pa siya sa kanyang south node, no? Which is yung kanyang comfort zone, and kailangan niya, gusto niya pumunta sa kanyang north node, which is the north node is may kinalaman sa kanyang purpose dito sa mundo. And might be, this person, I feel like, piniprepare niya na yung sarili niya for this news or travel, I think. So, pwedeng, or yung pag-message sa'yo, maybe hindi pa niya i-message sa'yo na until fully na nangyari na or mangyayari na. Kumbaga, kung may pagkakalayo sa inyo, kung sigurado na, no? Tsaka niya lang sasabihin. So, ngayon, hindi pa kasi sigurado. So, Ayaw niya muna sabihin yung tungkol dito. So, what will happen in the near future for the sign of Libra? You do have here Sun, limitations, okay, memories, guilt, and toxicity. In the near future, I can see you being so powerful. I can see positivity. This person, nakikita natin na unting-unti niyang makikita kung ano, the moment na magkaroon ng positivity sa buhay mo, the moment na magliwanag ang buhay mo, sabihin na natin ganon, naging positibo, naging maganda. Pwedeng siya kasi, itong person na ito is maiiwan, or pwedeng siya yung nagkakaroon ng negativity, kadiliman, siya yung nakakaranas nun. Pwedeng nababaliktad yung sitwasyon kasi in the past might be ikaw yung nasa madilim na part, and then I'm seeing a yin and yang, so this could be a twin flame connection. So yun nga, might be in the past siya yung nasa maliwanag, siya yung maganda yung itinatakbo na buhay niya, pero magkakaroon ng pag-shift, pagbaliktad, ano, siya yung mapupunta sa kadiliman, and then ikaw yung nasa liwanag. The moment na mangyari yon, this person is magkakaroon ng realizations, magkakaroon ng memories about you, magkakaroon ng marirealize niya na ay toxic pala tong pinasok ko. So, you are having a lot of success might be, and tell me more about the sun. I feel your energy with the sun. Ayan, makikita natin yan na sobrang bright or sobrang ganda ng sun. And you are not, I mean, you're not having hesitation dito. Nakikita natin na ang focus mo is growth, ang focus mo is happiness, ang focus mo is, you do have here action, so you have a lot of courage here. So, nakikita natin na malakas yung loob mo regarding dito sa new beginnings na ito, na pwedeng magbibigay ng magandang, you do have here abundant, so that is positive, and pwedeng money or career related ito, but I can see that you will be getting out of your comfort zone, kasi pwedeng unti-unti ka na naka-heal regarding sa connection ninyong dalawa. So once na mangyari ito, may shifting siya naman yung nakikita natin na medyo nagkakaroon ng problema, nagkakaroon ng hindi magandang pangyayari sa buhay niya, but you do have your open and receive, so you're going to receive something from this person. So maybe yung communication, this person will tell you a very important news, so kailangan mo lang maging prepare. Maybe itong news na to has something to do with pagta-travel, or regarding sa kanyang karma, I don't know, but this person is going to tell you that. Okay, so hintayin mo na lang, maaaring sabihin niya yung patungkol dito. So thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye bye.